What's poppin', loves? Welcome back to the channel. We are back with another video. So I've been doing my own lashes for about 6 months now, and some of y'all may have seen my previous video where I showed you guys how to save a little coin and learn how to do lash extensions yourself. I noticed some of the girlies in the comments were asking for an update and asking for a removal video, so here we are. Today I'll be showing you guys how I've been safely removing my individuals without damaging my natural lash and just giving y'all an update. A lot of people are asking, how long does the set last? This set that y'all are looking at right now is about 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks old. So your lashes can last that long too, as long as you keep them clean. But without further ado, let's get into it. You'll need some organic coconut oil, mine is naturally refined, a couple of cotton pads, a few Q-tips, one clean spoolie, and last you're gonna need a face towel. So of course you want to start with a freshly washed face, no makeup or anything like that. And you're going to take this washcloth that you've already run in some hot water and wring it out. Once it's nice and damp and warm, take it and press it up against your eye gently. And just start to gently massage your eye. The steam from the hot towel is going to help loosen the glue up. With the method that I use, I would typically go for a fill-in right about now at the 2-week mark. But for the sake of this video, I'm just going to go ahead and take them off and do a full set afterwards. And as y'all can see, some of the lashes are already starting to come off, and you'll just repeat the same process on the other side. Another question I got asked was it okay for them to get wet? Yes, it's okay for your lashes to get wet. I wait typically a 48-hour period before I go ahead and start shampooing them and keeping them clean. But if you go without washing your lashes, if you go without getting them wet, and if you just avoid them when you're washing your face, then you're gonna end up getting all type of oil buildup and makeup buildup, and your lashes can get really dirty, which is what you don't want, because at that point they start to fall out. So in short, yes, you can get them wet, but just not excessively. As you may know, coconut oil is solid, so I take it and rub it on my eyelid first just to warm it up and kind of melt it. And then once it starts to melt, that's when I add it to my lashes. So I kind of just rub it in and focus on saturating my lash line with the oil. The idea is to break that glue down, and it's gonna take a good amount. Add as many layers and coats as you need to, but just keep rubbing and try your best to focus on the lash line. Another coat? Yes, please. Keep in mind, y'all, the glue that I use is really strong. If y'all watched the last video of me actually doing my own lashes, you know that it's a really strong glue, and when it's time to remove your lashes, baby, that glue likes to tussle. So like I said, you may need to use a couple of layers. Just be patient with yourself. Personally, I prefer coconut oil over any of the other methods that I've seen people use, just because I know coconut oil is a simple, pure, raw ingredient, and I actually have really sensitive skin, and I wouldn't want to use anything too harsh or any gels or anything like that that could possibly irritate my skin or irritate my eye. I know coconut oil would have been the safest route for me, but let me know what you guys like to use in the comments down below. And now we're going in with the spoolie just to make sure everything is evenly coated. And now while I let that sit, I'm gonna go ahead and work on the other eye, same process. And here you can see a little bit better how I melt the coconut oil first. So the idea is basically to use the coconut oil and the Q-tip to kind of break down any lashes that are already loose and falling out, and then you want to just go in with more oil for those lashes that are a little more stubborn, and those are going to sit and soak in the coconut oil for 15 minutes. So now that 15 minutes have passed, I grab a clean cotton pad and use it to rub and wipe off the rest of the remaining lashes. At this point, they should come right off. When it came to my right eye, for some reason those lashes were a little bit more stubborn. If you have lashes that are really stubborn and do not want to come out, take some coconut oil and rub it on your 2 fingers, and then just twirl your lashes in between your 2 fingers. I actually saw another girl on YouTube do that, so I tried it, and when I tell y'all, it made a big difference. Now granted, I did a few coats before this, but after I tried that, look at how my lashes just start falling right off. Look at that. Oh yeah, it works. I typically don't pluck any of my lashes out, but these last couple pieces I had to. But you see, it's not a single follicle in sight. All my lashes are still in place, and now we clean it up. As y'all can see, there is no damage to my natural lashes, and that is the goal. The lashes are looking very healthy, very full, not a bald spot in sight. Does anybody else feel like a 12-year-old girl when they don't have their lashes in, or is it just me? All I know is I got the bare face, but trust and believe I'm about to do another full set right after this. But if y'all got anything from this video and if it was helpful to you in any way, don't hesitate to hit that like button, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. I'll see y'all later, loves.